In this video, I will show you how to play Primon Legion on PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and play Primon Legion on PC, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to this website. Now what I will do is leave a link to this website in the video description down below. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click onto that link, and then you're going to come across to this website. From here, you're going to see the blue play on PC button. So what you want to do is give that a click, and it's going to start downloading something called BlueStacks onto your PC. Now BlueStacks is an emulator, and what this basically does, it enables you to play mobile games on your PC. So once that's finished downloading, just go ahead and click onto the installation setup. And what that's going to do is start installing BlueStacks onto your PC. Now once it's installed, you're going to get a confirmation window like this. Just go ahead and press the blue launch button. Here we are. As you can see, BlueStacks is now loading through on my PC. So once that's loaded through, you might get an app pop up. Just come up and cross that off by pressing the cross in the top right hand corner, and this is going to load through on your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished loading through, it should directly take you to the app page for Primon Legion. If it doesn't, what you can do is come and click the search icon just up here and go ahead and type Primon Legion to search for that in BlueStacks. So once you're on the app page, all you're going to want to do is come and press the green install button just here. And as you can see, that's now going to start downloading and installing on our PC. So it just takes a minute or two to do this, of course, dependent on your internet connection. So you just want to wait for that to download. So here we are. As you can see, Primon Legion has now finished downloading and we're in the game, and what we can do is just enter into the game and start playing this absolutely fine. So that is how to play Primon Legion on PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.